To clean your dust filters on your ductless unit, there's a tab on the left-hand side and a tab on the right-hand side. You pull, it hinges up to reveal your dust filters. Each side removes, you lift it up and pull down. This is your dust filter. Dust will accumulate on the top of this. When you pull this out, there's an allergen filter for pet dander, odors, and particulates. You want to take this out. You don't want to get this wet. This is vacuum only. This you can get wet. And in fact, our practice is when we do the maintenance, what we'll do is we'll take these outside and use the hose and spray them from the back side, pushing all of the dust off of there, and then drying them with a paper towel or a rag.
Do I always need to use water, or can I just vacuum them off?
You can vacuum, but I find that vacuuming still leaves a lot of debris on the unit, and cleaning water is really the best option.
Okay. How do you get them back inside?
So the dust filter, the allergen filter snaps face down back into the dust filter. And then the dust filter, there's a track, slides right here, right back up into, and these little tabs fit down in there.
Okay.
Each side comes out. It does not matter which side they go on. They're not particular to one particular side. They are universal, so they can be swapped out.
And how often should I do this?
The manual suggests every 2 weeks. Most people do it about every quarter. What I would recommend is when you pull it out, if you can see through it, that's good. If anytime you pull it down and you can't see through it, you want to check it a little more frequently. So let's say in 2 months you pull it down and there's barely anything on there, go ahead and clean it, put it back, maybe wait maybe a little bit longer next time. Let's say if you pull it out in 2 weeks, or in 2 months, and it's just completely covered, you want to check it more frequently. I always tell people that dust equals dollars. So the more dust that's accumulated on here, the more money it's going to cost you to operate this ductless unit at the desired temperature you want.
So that affects the efficiency.
It does.
Okay. Thank you.
These hinges will pull down, snap into place. There.
And voila.
That's it.